Ever wondered how to make smooth, silky custards and curds at home? Welcome to the art of mastering these delightful fillings. This skill is a game changer for home cooks, transforming ordinary desserts into extraordinary delights. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to whip up these delicious fillings at home. First, understand that both custards and curds are essentially a base of milk or juice, thickened with eggs. Custards, with their rich, creamy texture, derive from milk or cream, sweetened and thickened with eggs. Curds, on the other hand, are a tart, tangy delight, created by thickening citrus juice with eggs and sugar. Both share the key ingredients of eggs and sugar, but their base, milk for custards, fruit juice for curds, sets them apart. While the ingredients are simple, the magic lies in the method. Now, onto the technique. The key is gentle heat and constant stirring. To create the perfect custard or curd, start with your ingredients at room temperature. This allows for even cooking and prevents curdling. Next, heat your milk or cream on low heat. If you're making a curd, you'll be using juice instead. Patience is crucial. You're looking for a gentle simmer, not a roaring boil. While your liquid heats, whisk together your eggs and sugar. Once your milk or juice is hot, slowly pour it into your egg mixture, stirring constantly. This is called tempering, and it keeps your eggs from scrambling. Then return everything to your pot and cook on low heat. Stir, stir, stir. If you leave it unattended, you risk a lumpy mess. Common mistakes to avoid include high heat, quick addition of hot liquid to eggs, and lack of stirring. And voila! With patience and practice, you'll get a smooth, creamy texture every time. Mastering custards and curds can elevate your desserts to a new level. Embracing these techniques ensures smooth, silky fillings that are sure to impress. So keep practicing and perfecting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and recipes. Happy cooking!